I saw something. Masavu was talking to me earlier on about some lady that made a concert outside.
Yes,
the lady mbwaine ekintu jukira twina ekifanyi kyetuzenga tumulabiramu over the years. I don't want to mention her name on air, but twina ekifanyi kyetuzenga tumulabiramu over and over. So she was surprised nti abamu babadde achiringanga nabo abamu gospel. None of them showed up.
Let me ask you a question. Goes ani yandiyagadde omulaba mu kintu ekyo musage. Jukira naye kasita alabikako polisi baba mwongedde kontono naye bwati.
What I didn't agree upon is the fact that they waited for the actual day. Ne bamugamba we are not coming. That's why the problem was.
Sibata kyo kiyinza okubeera nzi kyenkirabamu ogattamu ate abaana be. Abaana teyandi batadde ku back. Abaana nabo take more picture like these innocent guys. No,
but nobody can put the kids in because they know they are kids. At the end of the day, Banange, let's not overthink for people. Me I always tell you. Baliba, you know ban. Oh no. Let's if I have a child and I'm a mother, then Sobia. You understand? That's an obvious thing. Like everybody would know. Oh no, mwana muto. Because at the end of the day, I'm directing them on what to do. Position yourself like.
Actually, I feel like let's mention out the name. Let's mention out the name. But let's mention out the name because yava kumugenda. Judith Muteesasira yali anointed. Era nyimba ze zawa bandi omukisa.
Sagamba nti tachali
lindako byange anti. And I'm entitled to my own opinion.
Yes.
She was anointed.
She's still anointed.
That's a topic for another day. That's a topic for another day.
Yes.
She was anointed in the times mukama we yamuwere kisa okuyimba enyimba ezo.
Okay.
You get that? Simanyi mwoyo ki gufugira mabega we wabayimba enyimba ezo right now. Ndozo ntegedde bulungi. She was anointed by the time mukama we yamuwere kisa okuyimba ki enyimba ezo. She could still sing and perform those songs right now. But in the simanyi mwoyo gufugira mabega wachi wanyimba ezo bagumukozesa mu biro bino oba kitegedde
so that means you are no longer consuming her music.
Personally no. Personally nzengo
kati it's okay wulira kati Judith Babirye, are you still consuming her music?
I do.
What's the difference between her and her? Like the two ladies, what's the difference?
Ah, mwana chirikireke chiri chanja.
No. And then ogambe chibi. No.
Yes, wa muzee ile the song was
we get to muzee